Do you want to increase your visibility, reach more people and make more money in 2014? Of course you do. Saturday the 7th of December is Small Business Saturday UK, a day for the UK to support small business across the board. At On It PR, we understand that some of you don't see yourselves as a small business, but from solo independent performance artists to videographers who work as part of a team, workshop facilitators who go into schools, colleges and prisons, or comedians who are active in stand-up. If you make money from your passion, you too are a small business. On It PR is a multidisciplinary agency that supports independent entertainers and creatives in realising their dreams via professional services, including PR, marketing, event management, strategy, planning and training. On Point for 2014 is a personalised strategy initiative aimed to support you in achieving your goals. This 75-minute one-to-one session will help to identify your strengths, give you insights into how to raise your visibility, how to engage with your fans, customers and stakeholders, how to secure more money, and ultimately how to raise your game. You'll leave our tailored one-to-one session with a 6-month action plan ready to make simple but effective changes to anchor your success in 2014. With the On Point for 2014 plan, we'll help you get from where you are now to where you want to be in bite-sized, achievable stages. You'll also enjoy a complimentary follow-up session 8 weeks after, ensuring that you're on track for success whilst raising your profile in the process. Sessions commence on Saturday the 7th of December by appointment only. Then, Monday to Friday thereafter, with limited evening appointments available to suit people who have day jobs. For further information or to book your place, visit www.onitpr.co.uk/onpoint42014 or call 020 3005 3285 and quote Small Biz Sat UK for a 30% discount between now and Friday the 20th of December. So, as 2013 draws to a close and people start making their same old New Year resolutions, set yourself apart from the crowd and get on point for 2014 with On It PR.